The package is so nice. Abigail, you want to order this for mommy? Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, you're welcome to Share with Love TV. Guys, we are unboxing. Guys, it took me forever to unbox this thing. Hey, I have this it's a present. It was a gift from my friend. Okay, my friend, she gifted me this. I have it. I haven't unboxed it. I'll keep saying that, okay, I will unbox this thing. I'm going to make a video. I don't want to unbox it without making a video. Finally, I decided to unbox it today. Like, it's a robe and it comes with some of this, what is it called? I don't know. Let's do it together. Let's look at the packaging. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, let's do this together. I finally do it all because of Abigail. She'll be like, Mommy, yeah. When are you going to bust your stuff?
Guys, she's had it since last Christmas.
When are you going to bust this? I said, Abigail, can you just leave me alone? This evening she came again, Mommy, are you not going to bust your stuff? I said, okay, you know what? Let me just open this tea and let me just be free from Abigail disturbing, okay? Abigail be on my nerve. Even sometimes she want to open it. I said, don't open it. If you open it, you're going to be in trouble. There's a lot of tape. How do they even do this? Okay. I'm getting there. Hola. Finally.
Ooh la la.
Okay, with these three. Oh, let's see one. This one's pink prosecco bath salt. This one says pink prosecco bath salt, rejuvenating bath salt. That's what it's written on this one. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm just going to take a picture and screenshot it. Okay. Oh, I'm struggling, guys. Okay. The other one says, what is this? Body lotion. This is body lotion. And this one is body wash. Body wash, body lotion, and bath salt. Okay, this one is a salt. Like if you want to take a bath, like a bath, pour water inside your bathtub and add this salt to it. Let me open it. I'll put this one here first because. And this is the robe. I like the packaging. The packaging is so nice. Abigail, you want to order this for mommy? Oh, that is kind of a good container, like
for notebooks and stuff.
This on the floor. Ooh, look at it, guys. It's so pretty. Wow. And the material is so soft. Oh, soft and cozy. Okay, let's. Oh. Whoa, it's so nice. I like the color. It's so cozy, comfy. Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you, Mamacita. This is nice, guys. It's beautiful. And the length, look at the hand. The length is a good size. It's true. Wow, decent size. The length is way more than my knees. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. You can't see, but I like it. And the other day, was it not yesterday? No, 2 days ago, we went to Ross. I bought this one. Okay. Oh, the color. I thought the color is going to match. Let's see. This one is a Coolie Retreat massage roller and push headband. Okay. Now we are going to be matching. This one said you have to freeze it for about 2 hours, allow it to cool, then you use it to massage your under eye. See, use it, it's rolling. Use it to massage your face. You have to put it inside the fridge, allow it to cool for about 2 hours before you use it. That's what you use it to massage. You want to hold it? Yeah. Then this one.
Oh, what does your top?
Okay, this one goes like this. Okay. Are you good?
I use it for my skincare.
Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, I'm ready for bedtime. Let's go sleep. Good night, guys. You guys like it? Let me smell this one. Oh, smells good. Look at this. And this one is a body lotion and body wash. Let's smell it. Smells good. To poke it. Smells so good. Okay, that's it, guys. I finally unboxed my present since December. The present I received since December, I finally unboxed it. Thanks to Abigail. It's so good. It's so nice. Thank you, Mama Sita, aka Amma. Ooh, my sister from another mother. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page also. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye. And she said she's going to take my role from me. This girl, she's right here. She said she's going to take me.
I'm going to make a video of it.
No, this is my property. Look, I look good. Bye, guys. Maybe I'll look for the exact color that will match with this. What do you think? Yeah. I'll take a picture anytime I go back to Ross again. I'll look for the exact same color that matches with this hairband. Bye, guys. Bye.